Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato mushroom soup. First, ensure you have all your fresh ingredients ready, like ripe tomatoes and earthy mushrooms. Next, we'll prepare the vegetables by chopping them into consistent sizes, which helps them cook evenly. Then, we'll gently sauté some aromatics, such as garlic and onion, to create a rich and fragrant foundation for our delicious soup. This initial step is crucial for developing deep flavors. After your aromatics are fragrant, add the sliced mushrooms to the pot. Sauté them over medium heat until they release their moisture and turn a beautiful golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, incorporate your diced tomatoes and vegetable or chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld together for at least 20 minutes. Finally, season generously with your favorite herbs and spices. Once the soup has simmered and the vegetables are tender, it's time to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Carefully transfer about 1/3 of the soup to a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until smooth, then return the blended portion to the main pot. Stir everything together, and for an extra touch of richness, incorporate a splash of heavy cream or your preferred milk alternative. Your delicious tomato mushroom soup is now ready to be served. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with fresh basil leaves, a swirl of olive oil, or some crunchy croutons for added texture. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread for dipping. Enjoy this comforting and flavorful meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.